Want to turn your Samsung phone into a pro-level video camera? Watch this. These settings will completely transform your video quality. Hey everyone, in today's video, I'll show you the best camera settings on your Samsung phone to shoot cinematic, smooth, and high-quality videos, step by step. Step 1, set video resolution and frame rate. Open Camera app. Tap on Video mode. Tap on the gear icon. Then set video resolution and frame rate. Select UHD 4K at 30 FPS for cinematic quality, or choose FHD 60 FPS for ultra smooth motion. Pro tip, use UHD for slow-paced, high-detail shots. Use FHD 60 FPS for action, vlogs, or movement. Step 2, enable video stabilization. Tap on the gear icon, then tap on setting icon. Scroll down in settings and turn on video stabilization. This removes handshakes and makes your footage smoother. Step 3, turn on grid lines and level. Go to settings and scroll down. Enable grid lines. Also turn on shot suggestions and level guide. These help with perfect framing and alignment. Step 4, advanced video options. Go to camera settings and scroll down. Tap on advanced video option. Enable HEVC, high efficiency, prioritize video quality. Then enable high bitrate videos, increase the bitrate of videos recorded in video and pro video modes. High bitrate videos are usually larger than normal videos. And enable HDR10 plus video and enable Samsung log. Step 5, lock focus and exposure. First open your camera app, tap on more option. Then selected Pro Video mode. Before recording, tap and hold on the screen to lock AFAE, autofocus, auto exposure. This keeps lighting and focus consistent throughout the shot. Manual control. Adjust key settings like ISO, lower is cleaner, ISO 100 to 200 in daylight. Shutter speed, use double your FPS, 30 FPS, shutter 1 to 60, white balance, manually adjust for true to life colors. Focus, manually control for sharp subjects. These Samsung settings can give your videos a massive upgrade. Try them out and let me know your results in the comments below. If this helped, smash that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more mobile video tips.